Hi guys. This is Erelah. And this is Erelah. Our kwentuhan for tonight is syempre, I always have a surprise question for Erelah. Let's see how smart she is. If you had a pet parrot, what's the first phrase you teach it to say? What will you teach your parrot? Because parrots can talk. How you train them, they will learn how to talk. So, what will you teach your parrot? The first words that you want to teach him. To teach it.
Good morning, good night.
Those good morning.
Wait, this is my practice noise.
So, good morning and good night. The first words you want.
Ibon ako. Ito na lang yung ibon ko.
Yeah, but yeah, that's a penguin. Okay.
Like kita ibon.
So, how will you teach your parrot?
Pretend this is a
Oh,
parrot.
sige.
Good morning, good night.
Okay, but you don't tell it to him yet on the same time. Syempre, pag sabihin mo sa kanya, pag good morning, if it's morning, and say good evening, pag syempre, pag night time, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. That's a good answer. Thank you for watching our video. Bye-bye. Please follow us in
TikTok,
TikTok and
Facebook,
YouTube.
YouTube.
Bye-bye po.
Bye.
Till our next kwentuhan.
Bye-bye.